Hiya folks, JD here, and today we've got a packed week for you. But before we get to that, first of all, let's look at this footage. This is the MGX Bugs 3 Mini that we looked at a little while ago. I strapped the Run Cam 2 underneath it and took it for a flight, and I tell you what, it delivered. It delivered very, very well. So here we're looking at 1080p at 60 frames a second. If I am recording 1080, I do prefer 60 frames. 4K is better at 30 if you ask me. Right, well, this week we have all of this. Starting off with Monday, we have the MGX Blue Bugs 3 unboxing. And then as we go into Tuesday, we have the MGX Blue Bugs 3 Flight. Is this the best quadcopter you can buy for under £80? Wednesday, we have the Hasaki K5 Spooky unboxing. Then on Thursday, we have the Hasaki K5 flight test. On Friday, we have Competition 10. So this is hopefully going to be in line with 4,000 subs or thereabout. It either will be or it won't be, but still it's going to be a competition that should be marking the 4,000 subscriber. So with Competition 10 we look at giving away 2 quads as usual. Which quads will they be? Well, I haven't quite decided yet. So hopefully you're going to like them once I decide. So that will be Friday. Then Saturday we're going to do a live stream with Southpaw Drones. It's been a while since I've done any live streaming, and it's been a while since I've been able to actually do that. Well, hopefully this Saturday I'm going to have the opportunity to start back the live streams. I don't know if it's going to be a weekly thing, I don't know how that looks yet, but at least we're going to start off. We're going to start off with Southpaw Drones, just friendly drone chats, and see exactly where we go from there. And then on Sunday we've got a premiere. This is the Sim2 Fairy. Is it fixed? I managed to fly it without any problems at all. Have I fixed it? Have I not? I don't know. Honestly, let's just have a little look at it. At the same time, it's a premiere, so I'll be live chatting with you. So if you can make it, that's at 1800 GMT, the same time as all videos roll out and all videos go live. So if you can, then please make that. I would love to see you. Alright then folks, well, I'm going to stop yammering on. Thank you all, and hope you all have a fantastic rest of the day and week. Look after yourselves and look after each other, and I shall see you very, very soon. Take care folks, and happy flying.